Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at percentage of a quantity. Now we've already looked at finding one quantity as a percentage of another. That's where we had to calculate the percentage. Here we know the percentage and we want to calculate a quantity. We do questions here like what's 40% of 80, for example. So we always follow these two steps. Right, the percentage is a fraction or a decimal, either way doesn't matter, and then we multiply by the quantity. So let's look at an example. So an avocado contains about 14% of fat. It's generally healthy fat, and we want to know how much fat is in an avocado that's 140 grams. Here we are simply being asked to find 14% of 140. So what we do is we convert 14% to a fraction or decimal. Either way doesn't matter. I'm just going to convert it to a fraction. We already know that to go from percent to fraction or decimal, you just divide by 100. Now in maths, of means times. So it's just 14 over 100 times 140. So if you put that on your calculator, you get about 19.6. So this 140 gram avocado would contain 19.6 grams of fat. Note our answer here is a quantity rather than a percentage. How easy is that? Let's look at one more example. So let's try this question here. Soccer team has played 20 matches, won 75% of them, and of those, 20% have been by more than 3 goals. How many matches have been won by more than 3 goals? Okay, so we're going to start by calculating how many matches were won. The question tells us it's simply 75% of the matches played. It's 75% of 20. So to calculate 75% of 20, we convert 75% to a decimal or fraction. Either way doesn't matter. This time I've chosen a decimal. Of means times, just 0.75 times 20, which is 15. That means that my team has won 15 matches. Now, it's of these 15 that have been won by more than 3 goals. So we're going to now find 20% of 15. So same process, we convert 20% to a fraction or decimal. Either way doesn't matter. Of means times. We times by the quantity. You can put that on your calculator, you get 6. 6 here is our final answer. We have won 6 of our 15 matches by more than 3 goals. Again, the answer is a quantity, not a percentage like it was in previous lessons. Alright, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.